Alright, in this video I will explain what this little fabric placed on the bobbin holder is for, and there is a reason for it. Why it's put there, why it's used, and the benefits it has when sewing, or the benefits it can bring to the bobbin holder. Many people don't know how we can use the bobbin holder when we place a thin fabric underneath it. Having these two small pieces helps give it greater stability, as they call it, bobbin. That's right, stability when the reel is very wobbly. It's a bit wavy due to wear. This small washer helps us give stability to the spool holder. When it gets too wavy, it will create more difficulties. Then we'll have to change the spools. This benefits us because the spool holder is metallic, just like the spool itself. The part here now on the spool holder begins to wear out. Both the spool holder in this area and the spool itself, working at high speed, causes wear here in this part. So we usually put this little base either made of fabric. We see that it's very thin, because if we make it too thick, it will create too much tension on the spool and it will tighten the stitching. We make it so that the spool generates a bit more tension, which is a benefit we can have. Many people use them to avoid adjusting the tension screws. This creates a bit more tension. So many people use a fabric base to produce more tension. It actually makes the spool hold a bit more, generating more tension with this base here. Hence, many people do this to avoid adjusting the screw that controls the thread tension.